Creating content for a YouTube video about a small wood pot unfinished could include various aspects. Introduction to small wood provide information about small wood, its properties, organ and uses. Hello friend, welcome to our channel Night Ideas. Today we sharing with you wooden pot unfinished pot design. Unfinished pot craft show the process of creating a pot from small wood, discuss tools, techniques and safety measures. Design and style choices. Explore different designs, options and styles for the pot. Impression and choices. Introduction to small wood. Discuss small wood is design planning. Explore various stool designs, ergonomic configuration and scale of the choice design. Material preparation. Show how to select, measure and cut small wood pieces needed for the stool. Finishing and polishing. Demonstrate the steps involved in finishing an unfinished pot, such as sanding, staining, and paint shine. Tips and tricks. Share tips for woodworking enthusiasts, addressing common challenges and how to overcome them. Remember to film the process step by step in your audience voice, explaining each step clearly, and use good lighting and camera angle for effect. Modern small stool content for YouTube. Sampling here a outline of YouTube video on creating a wooden small stool. Material preparation show how to select, measure and cut small wood pieces needed for the stool. Construction process. Demonstrate the step-by-step assembly of the stool, including journey